What's the deal? 2:54 p.m. January 28th. Y'all, I'm kicking myself. The only time I decided to sell, because what I usually do is when I trade, I always make sure I have my stocks at the end of the day just in case some crazy stuff happens, right? Well, this time I decided to not hold. I sold off. Let me see. Kicking myself, y'all. All right, look. All right, January 25th, I sold off 35 shares of CGC. Um, and I was like, well, I think it's gonna fall. I thought it was gonna fall, right? And at the end of the day, like I said, I usually hold my shares just in case something happens. Well, what happened is Jaffrey came out and he moved his price target and analysis to $60 instead of being 40. So that's a big jump there, right? So that happened, and I woke up and I looked at this thing. And I was like, it was blowing up. It went up 10%, and in total, it went up about 15, 16% after I sold out and I wasn't holding. So I was like, oh. So yeah, that happened. So what I had to do, what I decided to do, I felt like it made more sense for me to put all my money into ACB because ACB kind of fell. It was up here January 16th, and it kind of went down after releasing some news about ACB saying that they're not gonna have about their price target. I mean, they released their news about their earnings. They expected their earnings to be like 50 million. Yeah, 50 million in sales and profit. So something like that. Something along those lines, right? So it fell. It fell. It fell. And so yeah, like I said, to me it just seemed like a better buy at this time since I missed out on CGC. So yeah, missed out about 14, 15% on CGC. Now I'm in ACB. I have 249 shares. I'm very happy I got in like in time, and it's crazy. It's crazy how it happens because, like I said, I always buy at the end of the day, and now that happens. So I'm not gonna. I'm always gonna be buying at the end of the day, making sure I have um, shares of ACB or CGC, but like my whole portfolio, because with these pod stocks, in my opinion, there's a higher chance of them coming out with positive catalyst that will move the shares up than there is for someone a negative catalyst, meaning like something that's gonna move the stock a large amount. So yeah, kicking myself like I said, but yeah, I'm up all time 4.2, past year 13.3, past 3 months 11.1, past month 30.7, past week 2.2. Today I'm up 3.12. And if I would have held that CGC and ACBs, I would have been past $2,000 in my account. But it is what it is. And yeah, I'm going to hold ACB for a little bit. I mean, y'all know me. Y'all know I sell and buy a lot. So I day trade and all this stuff. So I'm going to see what I do depending on the news and all that. But yeah, so all my portfolios in ACB, 99.6% of my portfolio diversity is ACB. Average cost $7. Right now it's at 7.10. It could easily go back to $8, $9. Like, and by the end of the year, I could easily see it passing $10.81. But like I said, y'all know I always buy and sell, so I like doing that. And it's easier to make videos when you're trading like that. And yeah, it's crazy, right? But so we'll see what happens tomorrow. The market's just closed. ACB is up 5.65 today. CGC is up 4.85. Chronos is up 15.29. Whoa, that's insane. Yeah, after Chronos got that Altria deal, just never stop going up. Crazy. I don't trade Chronos, but I do watch it. Tilray. Let's look at Tilray. Tilray is up 8.6% today. Yeah, looks like it's going to be a big year for these pot stocks, y'all. If you're new to this channel, you may want to subscribe. This is a crazy roller coaster ride. This chart is everywhere, but yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, help me out with a like. And later's peace out.